Yo, so the new 3D spatial scene wallpaper in iOS 26 ain't showing up right on your iPhone lock screen. It's probably because of messed up settings, some glitchy software stuff, or maybe your phone just ain't vibing with it. But don't stress, we gon' fix it up real quick. First off, make sure low power mode is turned off. If your battery icon's looking yellow, that means it's on. You can flip it off from the control center or head into settings, scroll down to battery, and just switch off low power mode. Boom. After I did that, my 3D wallpaper started popping like it's supposed to. Now, if your phone's still acting stuck or weird, go ahead and force restart it. Hit the volume up button real quick, then do the same with volume down, and then press and hold the power button till that Apple logo shows up after a black screen. Check again. If it's still not working, you might gotta tweak some settings or reapply that special scene effect. So hit up settings, scroll to wallpaper, and tap that customize button. On the edit screen, tap on the special scene icon. If it's already active, just tap it again to refresh. It might take a sec. Then peep if it's working now. Now, heads up, some extra customizations might mess with the 3D scene effect. Like if you're using a big clock font or the depth effect, that could kill the vibe. Check the more options and try toggling keep it on or off to see what works best. As for your wallpaper image, it's gotta be the right kind. Try a pic with a clear subject and background. Stuff like people, pets, or anything bold in the front usually hits better. Use the photo browser, test a few out, and see which one looks fire on your screen. Lastly, supported devices. Most iPhones running iOS 26 should handle this wallpaper just fine. But if your phone's missing an update, that could be it. Go to Settings, tap on General and Software Update, and if there's anything waiting, download and install it. Alright, I hope this helped y'all out. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and smash that subscribe button for the next vid. Peace!